Welcome people, let's make some stewed beef and some pumpkin noodle and cooking wine. Start out by seasoning your beef people. Let's go ahead and add on all the seasoning to the beef. Let's season this beef nice and good and proper people. Let's go ahead and add some browning to brown the meat. Yes people. Now get some oil, add some oil to your pot. Then go ahead and add in your beef people. Yes people. Stir it up, mix it up and everything people. Nice and good and wonderful. Yes people. Now let's go ahead and add in some water to the pot to cook this beef down. After we add the water, we go ahead and add some pumpkin noodle, some onions, some peppers, and some thyme. Just people, some chicken broth, and let's go ahead and add in some cooking wine. Then add some ketchup. Just people, nice and good and wonderful. Look at that, so good, so amazing. Until next time, like, comment, share, and most definitely follow on this video to see more awesome videos like these. And if you want to see these videos and many more videos, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel, Cooking with Imagine. Until next time, I'm out.